let me show you how you can factory reset your Garmin Instinct 3. So maybe you want to return this watch or sell it or give it to someone, or again you simply want to wipe completely everything from the watch. Maybe you have some problems with it. So this is how we can do it. So we're going to press and hold the menu button and then click the ABC button and navigate all the way down till you see the system settings. Then press the GPS button to enter it. Navigate again almost all the way down. Okay, so reset. So select with GPS, and here we actually have various different things. So this first one actually will again do this like maybe like it will simply like clear all your settings, so and it will actually appear as a new watch, but actually it won't delete your activities and some like user data as well. So this is again if you maybe simply have some problems with it and you simply want to reset it. So but also we can use this to actually delete all activities and reset totals. But if you want to completely wipe everything from this watch and return to the completely brand new condition, this is the option we need to select: delete data and reset settings. So confirm with the GPS button and then again confirm again. Okay, confirm again. And this will take some while actually. So simply wait. And you will see option like this that it's actually erasing, so wait. Okay, and it's done. So it took maybe like 20 seconds in total, and then we can essentially set it from start. So you can see, you can select your language and it's pretty much ready to be used again as a brand new watch. Anyway, good luck guys.